we are trying to get moved in, but so far we have just been doing painting and rearranging things, trying to decide what goes where. And you know, that is not the most exciting part about moving. I love to decorate and style a home, and we haven't gotten to that point yet, but hopefully in the next couple of weeks we're going to start. As you see, I've kind of started on a little corner. I'm going to see if that works, but I wanted to get the house prepped for moving the actual furniture in and start the decorating process and styling all of the rooms. I just cannot wait for that. But of course, you have to do first things first. And so yesterday I saged the house, and I wanted to show you the process. I didn't even think about videoing it, and I was starting the process and decided, hey, somebody might be interested in this, and I will show you how it's done. I use white sage, which is supposed to be the proper sage to use, and as you'll hear in the video, I have done this with every home that we have lived in, and we have brought in happiness and joy into our home. And I can't say it was actually the sage, but why jinx it and not do it with this house as well? And I know a lot of you probably are not agreeable with those types of things, but you know, life is not easy, and anything that I can do to make life happier, more pleasant, and even if it's just in my imagination, I'm going to do it. So I'm going to show you now how I saged the house yesterday. So most of you know we are moving, and before we bring our things into the home, we are going to sage the house. It's also called smudging, and there's no judging when it comes to this, because this is something that's worked for our family for a long time. I have done it for every home we've ever moved in. It brings blessings and happiness, and if I believe it works, I think it works. So what you will need is white sage, and I found this online. Now you can also sometimes find it at Whole Foods, and this is what it looks like. It's just bundles of sage, and excuse my nails, we've been moving and things aren't perfect. So then you light your sage. You want to also open a door on the front, a door on the back, to allow anything that wants to escape, which could be just the smoke itself, whatever you imagine it to be. A lot of people, when they sage, they will try to relieve the house's spirits. I'm not doing this to relieve the house's spirits. I'm relieving or bringing in health, happiness, and good blessings. So we love health, happiness, and good blessings, and we're going to do everything we can to keep it that way. So now here we go. We're going to sage. I only have this here because I want to have a place for the ashes to fall. And basically what I do is just sage the areas, and then if you'll follow me, I'm going to sage part of the kitchen. You want to get corners. And I'm going on around the corner to the laundry room. This should only take a short period of time, because basically all you're doing is walking through your house, saging. And you can say a prayer, ask for good blessings, ask for health and happiness. And I'm going to get back to my pot so I can relight this, and we're going to do a couple more rooms for you, or for me. I'm going to relight the sage because it doesn't stay lit. It's tightly packed, so it won't stay lit. Walk this way. Now, I'm sure that many of you will, when you move into a new house, many of you will have something you do where there's nothing but just scrubbing the house clean. Well, this is basically what I'm doing, is scrubbing the house clean of the, could be impurities, could be bad spirit, could be bad energy, bad vibes, whatever you want to call it. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing me sage our home, and so now I'm going to go change. We're going to go out by the pool because I am trying to teach myself how to do some pool cleaning. Now, we have someone who cleans every week, but I want to just put it on my list that every day go out and get the leaves out of the pool, things like that, because most of the homes in South Florida have a cage surrounding the pool. This one does not. And so I know I'm going to see leaves floating in the pool and it's going to drive me nuts. So I want to learn how to do it myself, and then it also gives me an excuse to get out and get some sunshine. So let's head out to the pool and just hang out.